Hey guys, welcome back. I know most of you are students, maybe in high school or college, and you feel a bit stuck. You have so many dreams, goals, and aspirations, but you just don't know how to accomplish them. Sound familiar? That was me too. But today, I'm going to show you how to reclaim your life with the perfect daily routine. Listen carefully, because this could change everything for you. Most people talk about morning routines, but here's the truth. Your day starts the night before. If you want to reclaim your life, you need to focus on these 3 key things in your night routine. Sleep consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. I know it's hard as a student, but trust me, your body and brain will thank you. Prepare for tomorrow. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and write down your top 3 priorities for the next day. This saves you time and mental energy in the morning. Wind down properly. Avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead, read, journal, or meditate. This helps you sleep deeper and wake up refreshed. Now, let's talk about your morning routine. This is your secret weapon for a productive day. Here's what you need to do. Wake up with purpose. No snoozing. I know it's hard at first, but trust me, it gets easier. Get up at the same time every day and make your bed. It's a small win that sets the tone for the day. Hydrate first thing. After waking up, drink a glass of water. Hydration is key to feeling energized. Move your body. Do a quick stretch or go for a short morning walk. It doesn't have to be intense, just get your blood flowing. Eat breakfast. I'm not going to tell you to eat green smoothies or fancy meals. Just eat something, anything that fuels your body and mind. A simple breakfast is better than no breakfast. After your morning routine, use the next 2 hours for deep focus work. This is your golden time. Use it for anything important. Completing assignments, studying for exams, working on personal projects, or self-learning. Turn off distractions, set a timer, and focus. Trust me, this will make a huge difference in your productivity. I know most of you are studying many subjects, but here's the truth, your brain can only focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking doesn't work. It just makes you feel busy without actually getting things done. Here's why. When you switch between tasks, your brain has to reset and refocus, which wastes time and energy. Studies show that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. Instead, focus on one thing at a time. This is called monotasking, and it has huge benefits. Better focus. Your brain can dive deep into the task, leading to higher quality work. Less stress. You're not constantly switching gears, so you feel more in control. Faster results. You'll finish tasks quicker because you're not wasting time refocusing. So, pick one task, set a timer, and give it your full attention. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Let me know in the comments. What part of this routine are you trying first? God bless, hustle hard, and I'll see you in the next one.